This is Life According to Bruno. The sweet history of bubblegum. Ever wondered how bubblegum was invented? Let's explore its chewy history. From ancient tree resin to modern-day flavors, the journey of bubblegum is fascinating and full of unexpected twists. Chewing gum has ancient roots, with civilizations like the Mayans and Greeks enjoying tree resin. They found it refreshing and believed it had medicinal properties. This early form set the stage for later innovations. Native Americans chewed spruce sap and shared this habit with European settlers. The settlers eagerly adopted the practice, leading to the creation of the first commercial chewing gum. In the 1840s, John B. Curtis created the first commercial chewing gum. Inspired by Native American practices, he boiled spruce sap and added flavor, marking the beginning of the gum industry. Thomas Adams discovered chicle, a natural gum base, in the 1860s. His experiments led to a more elastic and enjoyable chewing experience, revolutionizing the gum market and paving the way for future developments. Thomas Adams revolutionized the chewing gum industry in the 1860s by using chicle, a natural gum from sapodilla trees. His discovery provided a chew that was smoother and longer lasting. Walter Deemer, an accountant at Fleer Chewing Gum Company, accidentally invented bubblegum in 1928. His creation was unique for its stretchiness and ability to form bubbles, captivating many. Fleer Chewing Gum Company released Deemer's creation as Double Bubble, the world's first bubblegum. Its pink color, chosen because it was the only dye available, became an iconic symbol. Marketing played a crucial role in bubblegum's success. Companies used colorful packaging and comic strips to attract children and create a fun, playful image that resonated with a young audience. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. During World War II, bubblegum production faced rationing due to material shortages. Despite this, its popularity persisted, with soldiers often chewing gum for comfort, leading to increased demand post-war. After World War II, bubblegum saw an explosive rise in popularity. New brands emerged, captivating eager consumers. The post-war era marked a golden age for bubblegum, with sales skyrocketing. Bazooka Joe comics became a cultural icon, intertwined with bubblegum sales. The comics added a playful element, making bubblegum even more appealing. Bazooka Joe's adventures delighted children and adults alike. Bubblegum's international spread was swift and widespread. It became a global phenomenon, transcending cultural boundaries. Countries around the world embraced bubblegum, incorporating it into their daily lives. Modern innovations have revolutionized bubblegum. New flavors, textures, and packaging options continually emerge. These advancements keep bubblegum exciting and relevant in today's ever-changing market. Health-conscious consumers now have sugar-free options. These alternatives cater to dental health considerations, offering a guilt-free chewing experience. Bubblegum has adapted to meet the needs of a health-aware audience. Bubblegum has left a colorful mark on pop culture, appearing in movies, music, and art. Iconic scenes in films and catchy tunes often celebrate the fun and carefree nature of chewing gum. World records related to bubblegum are as delightful as they are impressive. The biggest bubble ever blown and the most people chewing simultaneously showcase the playful spirit associated with this treat. Environmental concerns about bubblegum waste and its disposal are rising. Non-biodegradable gum can litter streets and harm wildlife, prompting efforts to develop eco-friendly alternatives without compromising the chewy experience. The future of bubblegum looks promising with potential trends and innovations. From new flavors and textures to sustainable packaging, manufacturers continue to find ways to keep bubblegum exciting and environmentally conscious. Share your favorite bubblegum memories with us and subscribe for more fun facts. Let's keep the conversation popping and reminisce about the joy bubblegum has brought to our lives.